Hello. I got a fairly decent long piece.
Took it.
Yum.
The bird's going to steal it.
You mean ibis?
Oh.
You meanie. Big meanie. Stop stealing! Bloody dumb. Watching you. Oh, ibis. You're joking, right? You meanie. Come on down. Oh, buddy, that's not ibis. That's a big meanie. That's not real, is it?
It's a leaf and he's like, I'm having it.
Oh, so they can nearly smell it. We're just not there yet, are they? No, try this one. Yeah.
I'm going to go for the fingers here. Look at this one climbing. He's like, come on. I know you got some more.
Here you go.
Give him the whole piece.
Really? You're really close. Oh, what an asshole. No, buddy, you're so close. You got this. Come on. Come on. Here you go. Is that easier? You can have the other end. Stop stealing him. Yeah, come, buddy.
Look, that one you fed, he's off. He's gone. I'm like, I'm out of here. That bird ain't having my food.
Yeah, I'm going to do it. Don't worry. He's wired.
Oh,
Nearly.
poor Tito.
Oh, that ibis is such an asshole. He's stolen everyone's, hasn't he? I tried to throw him some food to make him go.
Yeah, he ate it and that was it, gone.
Close as a piglet.
Another fish skin before we do our turtle race. So grab another one and then we'll do that.
Whack it in the face with this.
They should be. Yeah, it's still clean. Yeah. He's not ready to finish yet.
Had enough. Damn bird. Here, buddy. Leave the turtles alone. Yeah.
So guys, once you have fed out your fish, please pick a side of this racing track and put your feet up to the line. Even numbers on either side because you guys are going to make up the racing track for us today.
He's off.
Don't do that. You're the worst ibis ever. Oh.
Yes.
Hey, turtle wins. Woo!
Good job, buddy. Go away.
I'm still hanging on here. No. No, there's another one. Oh no.
Wet their feet.
And then them two are fighting over it.